Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to replace this front brake caliper on the 99 Suburban. So I thought there might be some interest to see how to do this. This on the ground here, this is a new caliper, and it doesn't come with the pads in it. I got this one from AutoZone for $20. So I'm going to put the pads from the old caliper into the new one, and then attach it to the knuckle, and then put the wheel back on and we'll be finished. And yes, it's held by the jack, but I have a wheel here, so in case it falls, you know, that's better than it just wrecking onto the ground. So let's see. So first, to put the pads in. Got this one, and this, I believe this one goes in first. Get the hammer. There. In. And we got this one, a little clip. Goes like that. Now we can put it on. Get angled it. There we go. And the only thing to put on really is the brake hose bolt. They call that the banjo bolt. And then the two mounting bolts. And the banjo bolt had a 7/16 head, and then the two mounting bolts have a 3/8 inverted hexagon. Put it on there. If you can see that, maybe. There we go. Okay, it slides on that way. Let me get a better look. Well, maybe you can't get a better look. Huh. Anyway, so this is the mounting bolt. This one's new and it came with the caliper. And inside there is a 3/8. So you have to have this type of bit. Put it in there. And one more. Might take some fidgeting. One went in. Get the ratchet. Oh. Okay, that's mostly in. I put oil on the threads of these bolts because the old ones got pretty rusted, so the oil might prevent that. That's it right here. Oh, it's going in. We're almost finished already. I didn't show you how to take the old one off, but it's just the same way, of course. Just putting it on. Tight enough. Okay. Now let's put our hose on here. See, that's called the banjo bolt hose. Looks a little bit like a banjo. Not really, but I guess this is where the strings would go, and this is where you strum it. So let's get our special bolt. If I can find it. Here it is. See, it's special because it has that hole right there. It's got a hole through it. I guess on one side only, yeah, right there. And it's got a hole there. So, and we put a copper washer on both sides. And your new caliper will come with it. At least mine did. Yeah, so there's one copper washer. And here's the other. Let's stick that on there. Like that. And the next one, stick it on. Okay, let's see. There we go, threaded hole back there. Yippee. Take our ratchet. And a 7/16. Not tight enough, I think. And lastly, what I will do is take that bleeder screw out. I guess that's, I don't know what size that is. Maybe 10mm? Yeah, sure, 10mm. Everything else was inches except this part is millimeters. Everything is mixed. So take this out. Someone actually tightened this a little too much. This hole right here is, it's supposed to be round, but it's mushed slightly, so but it's still usable. I guess the people that put this together at the assembly line, they maybe did it too tight. Okay, got a lot of oil on it now to prevent rust, because the old ones rusted in the hole, and when I tried to unscrew it, it broke off in the hole. We don't want that anymore. And here's the old one if you don't believe it. See? I tried to loosen it and it broke off. And here's our, this will tighten this. Not too tight because we have to bleed the brakes, of course. The new caliper has no fluid in it. But we are yeah, we're finished. So there we go. I'm gonna put the wheel on and do the other side. So until next time.